That's for good. Hiba. 21 on the ball. Here comes Hana. Behind the back. Finds some room. Floats up. In and out. Back back. There's a whistle. Almost. A foul committed by number 8. Yes, do it again. What is yours? 2 minutes remaining. 21-13. Pabor sa Piña Francia. Good. Now 21 rebound. Here comes Horner. Chest pass. Griego. Amo na Gliani. Gliani now on the ball. He races the floor. Gliani goes to the right. Down to the left hand. Beautiful moves by Gliani. Griego. Guanizo. Oh my goodness. Torn over. Sub. Cesar. Bernas. Reception. Gliani, here comes Patrick on the ball. Panela goes to the post up, shot. Same ball, sub. Paras. Same. Zuniga, give it to Dino. 5 to show. Stop, there's a reason. That's a foul. A foul for number 20 is Marinda. For sure, 1. Lasso by Dino, ready jumpers. Yes. Hiba. Griego, back to Hiba. Takes. Down, finds a row. Marinda. Number 10, time to shoot. Hiba, pass, Griego. Pump, kicks out, Hana, fires. Wala, Hiba, pull back. No good. Off the glass for the second time. Hiba connect for 2 points. By 15. Sampuan naman. 20 seconds. Romero drives up and under. No good. Panalo to rebound. Short by Gallego. 10 seconds. 5. That's the end of the second quarter. 25 down to 15 na ba? 10 lamang ng Piña Francia. Third quarter. Hana. Inside pass. Griego! What a pass! Ganda ng execution ngayon. Hana to Griego. What a pass! Inside pass, Grodil. There's the whistle. Ganda sana ang answer na yun. And the foul committed. 20. Pushing foul. Naka-make up ka na si Missy Jo. Naka-make up ka man. Not so good. Last by Gatil. Yes, 1. Fred Anderson now. Intercepted by Iba. Iba now. Give it to Hona. Drive. Sword Hons Manelo. Andro kay Patrick. Body pass. Oh, what a pass to Leon. Lays it up and in. What a pass. Beautiful connection by Gliani to Hernandez. Hiba. Corner. Stop. Pass now. Hiba. Back corner. 10 to shoot. Shuttlecock running down. Side step. Beautiful side step. Wala pa rin. Purnamo. Another chance. 24. Backs in. Finds some room. He dives. Help! Helbol. Sa bola na ng Piña Francia. And it's something now by Barangay Namo. Hana, drive, sidestep, floats up, put back, up the glass. Beautiful patience by Hana. Stop and trade. Bang! Hernandez from downtown. That's a wing 3 points play by Hernandez. Connect with 3 points. For the answer, that's so good. Here comes Gardil the rebound. There's a penalty foul for, that's 15. First team foul for Piña Francia. Hiba. Big pass on Edsona, fakes, step back, fire straight. Beat it out! Almost! Gliani the rebound. There comes Gardil. Strong pass. Turnover. Hiba now. Stop and trade. Griego. Take back. Huli. That's a foul. That's a foul. Number 24. Pushing foul. That's Griego. Stop. Susat, Boragay, out, Takin Gardil. First foul by Griego, that's a pushing foul for Griego. Padding now on the ball. It's a pass to Gardil, thanks. Pass, and a reversal whistle. 32-19. It's a 13-point game for Piña Francia. Fire so good. Out of bounds by Barangay Namo. Gliani. Gave it to number 18. Gliani again. Fire straight. Zuniga, back out now, Panelo. Post out, that's a high post out. Time to shoot. There's a reset. There's a reset. That's a foul. Another chance. There's a reset. Hiba on the ball. Hiba now, give it to Gardil. Gardil drives down to the track. That's the whip. Number 18. Panelo drives, there's a whistle. That's a foul. A foul committed. Good. 3 minutes remaining for the third quarter. Nasa penalty na yung Namo. Wala. Last by Panelo. Yes, we won. Hiba on the ball. Hiba's number 10. Back to Hiba. Post court now. Here comes Hana. Side step. Hey! That's a same foot. No illegal travel yun. Same foot yung lumandad. So that's illegal travel. So that tinatawag na yung Yugo step. Gliani. Pass through by Namo. Number 10. Almost misses a goal. It's thrown by almost. Stop. Against violation. 29. Good. Swift. Monteverde falling away. Too short. Honor. Drives. Pass. Hiba. Fires straight. Wala pa rin. Honor finds some room in the traffic. Number 2. Drives. Down. Floats up. Wala pa rin. And Romero. Baseball pass. Ano kay Monteverde. Slow Hiba. Ano kay number 10. Egal sa barangay mo. Stop. Change direction. And there's a whistle. Oh, that's the foul committed by 22, pushing foul, that's his Buddha. So the first foul by Buddha. Second team foul for Piña Francia. Hiba finds some room, pass, stop, kicks out to Hona, fakes. Stop and pops, too short, that's too strong, as it say. And now the rebound. Here comes the big eyes on the ball. That's number 1, and now, hey! Uli. 60 seconds, Hiba again, trying to set down. Back to number 10, pace, stop, sidestep, down, there's a whistle. So pass ball. Foul number 3-1. Gratil pops. Got it! Beautiful shooting by Hona. 34-21. 13 lang ang lamang ng Piña Francia. 30 seconds. Good up. Portray. That's so good. Now it comes now for the ball. Gratil change direction. Drives down. Hindi ka trouble yun. Love naman. It's illegal travel. 20 seconds remaining. 20 segundos na lang natitirang oras. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds. Out of bounds by the Piña Francia. 5. Last expire natin. 2 seconds. 2.5. 2.5. Ayan sir. Wait lang. Wait lang sir. Wait lang. Kapitid. Wait lang. And also Kagawad. Last quarter mga parigoy. Lamang pa rin ang Piña Francia. Hiba. Number 10 fakes. Cross court. Granadil. Drives. Push back. Time to shoot. Hiba. There's a whistle. 29. Pushing foul. Second foul for Monteverde, the green eye. First team foul. Hiba. Launches. Put back. Connects. Beautiful put back by Granadil. Ito ngayon. Glianen. Binigay kay Romero. Drive. Social whistle. So pass ball. Ano yun? 17. Oh, what a pass! This is the ball. Stepping on the line. Ganda sana ng exit. A pass. Granadil. Gave it to Hiba. 10 seconds to shoot. Granadil finds some room. Finds some spot. Oh, what a pass! Grego, wala! Last touch by Grego. Almost. Ito na, nagsarakat na, nag-over the bakod na. Ito, sir. Oh, ito na, wala na, baraba niya. Joseph, ito. There's the reason. Karlaga na. Hala ka mo. Isa ka mo doon. Iwit ka mo doon. Number 20 na. Kumapulusan, sige. Naku po. Here comes Hiba. Here comes now with the more. Hiba now finds some room. Time to shoot. Hiba finds some spot. After that, Granadil launches the tray. Voila! Turn down after that, Romero. Behind the rebound. Now, forward up in the bench. Back to Romero. Romero, sidestep. Kicks out the rally. Bukas on the tray. Too short. Final rebound. Push back. Picks. Stop and pops. No good. Angle the rebound. And comes out the barangay na mo. Granadil on the ball. Drives to the right. Sidestep. Picks. Finds some spot. Hiba. Picks. Pump. Against Iliane. Gave it to Honda. Picks again. Drives. Pass. Stop. Pass. Griego picks. Falling away. Off the mark. Good. Time to shoot. Yes. A shot clock violation. Here comes Dino. Here comes Gliani. Gliani now. 10 seconds to shoot. Romero uses the screen. Over the screen roll. Romero picks. Blows up off the glass. Beautiful play with a pinna plancha. 36-23. And the pinna plancha is still on top. 10 seconds to shoot. Griego. Bang! Griego from downtown. Sampu na lang naman ang Piña Plancha. Anderson divided no more. Here comes Hiba. Let's start the whistle. That's a foul. That's a clean foul. That's a foul. It's natamami yung follow through doon. Sardino. Foul number 28. It's an arm contact line. Wala. Yes, one. That's a 1 point for Namo. Nasa pressure defense ngayon ang barangay Namo. It's Liane. Higay pa sa Dino. Dino just pass. Yes, Nale. Pass. They stop. Wala. Ang malaki Granadil. And ang barangay Namo. Granadil swing. Beautiful defense by Dino. And Espanelo off the glass. Beautiful defense. He pass. Taban pops. Throw almost. Dino finds now Gliani. He pass to Panelo. Panelo throw dribbling. He pass to Dino. Dino stop. Pace. Then the shoot. Almost good. Marinda, sidestep. Counted on the foul. Basket is count. Number 12, pushing foul. Voila. There's the reason. Gliani. Oh, splash. Canelo. Pass. Oh, what a pass. There's the whistle. Beautiful hand off by Arnaldo Romero in the paint. Number 24, arm contact to shots. Take foul for Griego. And he launches. Bang! That's a huge throw by Granadil. Andra Gliani. Takbo na Piña Plancha. Gliani with the move. What a move by Gliani. Right, kicks out. Hiba finds some room. Griego, 10 seconds to shoot. Hiba breaks. Stop. Won the pass. Down to the track. Off the mark. Number 37 rebound. Anthony Namasababi. Yes. 2 minutes. No good. Picks. Pass. Picks. Pop. Picks. No good. And there's a more. Egansona. On a drive. Sidestep. Down to the track. No good. Ano kay Romero. Romero gave it to Panelo. Panelo slow dribbling. Panelo now using the game block. Game to Leanin. Leanin now. Jump step. Down. Left hand. Pass. And the pass out of bounds. So the Griego. Granadil. Stop. Enter. Voila. Panelo the rebound. Gave it to Dino. Panelo gave it to Romero. Gave it to Cipriani. 10 to shoot. 60 seconds. Swerve. Number 11, Boragay. Pass. Granadil. Kicks. 54 seconds. About 5 seconds. Violation. Put up. Last chance by. Pass Romero. Down off the glass. 40 seconds. Hiba. Granadil glass. Sidestep. And it's swept by Granadil. Leanin using the game clock for the Piña Francia. Dino. Whoop. 20 seconds. 12 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Connects. 9 seconds. Hiba. Stop. Enter. Burn. Final score, we have 45 down to 37. Congratulations over the Piña Francia. Better luck next game for Barangay Namo. Maraming salamat po, sir. And mga boss, madam. Next game, we have the Baby Club. Laban po sa San Proyecto. It's a 5-way division. Babalik po kami.